I honestly don't know how I got here. It all started after a night of sleep, and I woke up to Harry Styles. Pretty sick, right? Well, sort of. I didn't get a haircut yet. That's good. Anyways, about to head into that Harry Styles line. Should be good. I'll start looking at the camera.
Oh, no.
Some scary shit went down too. Dude, my sister literally lost my ticket. Like, that. It was so bad. So she lost it. She looks in her pocket and she's like, I don't know where I put it. I'm like, well, maybe you lost it. She did. It was literally like on the side of the street. Like anyone could have picked it up. Like freaking Donald Trump could have came out of here, picked up my ticket, went inside the concert. People would have been pissed. But luckily, we found the ticket on the side of the road. There's straight ski. You don't know what just happened. It was amazing. Oh my god, my cat is a ninja. Dude, you wouldn't believe this cat. Shout out to my cat. He's pretty cool. She's pretty cool. Sorry about that. Hope you didn't hear me. And one thing that was pretty cool. No. Highlight of my trip. Straight the best thing that happened at this was right before the concert. It wasn't even in the concert. This was like exclusive backstage pass stuff.
Hey, kitty.
Seth saw. Oh.
Ninja cat.
Whoa, look, he's standing up.
Whoa.
One thing I did like from Harry's concert was just the overall acceptance of anyone and everyone. Like, even though, like, yeah, I'm not single guy in the crowd, just kind of sitting there by myself with my little camera, I probably looked like a nerd. No, I definitely looked like a nerd. But Harry Styles, just everyone there was just making it really inclusive. Yeah, it was just there to comfort everyone. Anyways, the overall experience of the Harry Styles concert. I'm gonna tell you right now, I had a good time. I'm not ashamed about it. He's a talented guy.